Hello everyone, we are in the Power BI dashboard and today we will discuss an important function of uh, the Power BI which is known as RankX. Basically, during my consulting experience, I have received many times people or clients request that they want to see the data, they want to have the data ranked based on certain metrics. For example, in this example, we will show a product data and the sales of products and their ranking, right? For example, the highest number of volume of this product sale will be rank 1 and the lowest will be rank least. Let's start. Basically, RankX function which allows you to rank items dynamically based on measures such as total sales or revenue. This blog post or in our blog, we will walk through a simple example of RankX function. Step 1, we have to create two measures. This is a Power BI, and number one is total sales. This the first measure will create is called total sales, which calculates the sum of sales for each product. Here is the DAX formula for total sales measure. Let's go here and I'll show you the DAX formula for the total sales. So basically, total sales is equal to sum of product data table name and then it's sales of product. Okay, and then we have to create a product rank measure. Second measure will create a product is the product rank. This measure will use the RankX function to dynamically rank the products based on the total sales calculated in the first measure. So let's go to the Power BI. So here we see in this is our product rank formula. Product rank is equal to rank X is the function. All all products from the product data table that will include all the products in the product data table. It's the name of the table, and then the product data table's total sales field. So sum of product data, and then it's a product data sales. It's a measure. Total sales is the product data table's measure total sales, and in a descending order. For example, we'll start from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and then dense rank. Dense rank basically it's no gaps in the ranks. We'll discuss later this, but let's focus on what we're trying to accomplish: ranking of the products. So basically, this is the sum of the products. This is a field we included here from the products, uh, product sales. Let's see, remove that. If we remove that, it will be removed. Let's include it. Basically, we have to put it here. Sum of the sales B, D, A, C. So highest are B, lowest is D, and then so on. So basically, the product sales of B and D are 1 is the highest, and both are same. 3 is the 300A, which is A is second highest, and we can basically rank by products like A, B, C, D, and then the ranking function will still the ranks will be moved according to the position of the products in the row, right? So basically, it's very powerful tool, and there are a lot of ways to accomplish this task, but Power BI has given us a very simple function to accomplish this task. Let's see further. Conclusion basically is that by using RankX function in Power BI, you can create dynamic rank-based insights into your data, helping you better understand performance across different categories like products, regions, or times, whether you are analyzing profits or any other metrics. Rank function is a powerful tool to make your reports more insightful and actionable. Thank you, everyone, and I hope everyone will enjoy this small demonstration of RankX function.